Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Alhamdulillah, we meet again this week in our English class and we will learn about a new topic, new unit, which is Unit 8, How the Tiger Got Its Stripes. Okay, today's focus is listening and speaking skill. So let's learn English with me, Madam Liana. Before we start our lesson today, I would like to introduce the learning objectives. So there are 3 learning objectives for today. By the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to number 1, guess an animal and identify its characteristics. 2, listen to a story and state the animal's pride. And 3, talk about few animals and their prides. Okay, so objektif kita pada hari ini ada 3. Yang pertama, teka seekor haiwan dan kena pasti ciri-cirinya. Yang kedua, dengar satu cerita dan nyatakan kebanggaan. Okay, kebanggaan haiwan tersebut. Dan yang ketiga, bercakap tentang beberapa haiwan dan kebanggaan mereka, apa yang dibanggakan mereka. Right, so let's start with the first activity, which is guess the animal. Let's guess an animal and learn about few interesting facts and its characteristics. Okay, kamu perlu teka seekor haiwan dan belajar mengenai beberapa fakta menarik tentang haiwan tersebut dan juga ciri-cirinya. Right, so let's look at this picture. Okay, there is one picture here. A picture of an animal. Can you guess what animal is this? Alright, so many of you, I guess, can guess it correctly. So this is a tiger. Okay, ini adalah seekor harimau. Alright, so I will introduce to you 10 fun facts about tiger. 10 fakta menarik mengenai harimau. Okay, number 1, tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Okay, harimau merupakan kucing liar sejenis dalam keluarga kucing. Okay, kucing liar yang paling besar di dunia. Okay, number 2, tigers are carnivores. Okay, tigers ni carnivore, haiwan carnivore. So they eat only meat. Okay, mereka hanya makan daging. Okay, number 3, tigers search for food alone at night. So mereka ni adalah haiwan pemangsa yang mencari makanan sendiri pada waktu malam. Number 4, tigers are good swimmers. Okay, harimau adalah haiwan yang pandai berenang. Okay. Number 5, a tiger's roar can be heard as far as 3 kilometers away. Okay, ngauman tiger ni yang roar macam tu kan, boleh didengar sejauh 3 kilometer jauhnya. So kalau awak dengar harimau punya roar tu, 3 kilometer awak berada daripada dia, awak dah boleh dengar lah. Okay. Number 6, tigers can reach up to 65 km per hour at full speed. Okay, tiger ni boleh sampai berlari, dia punya kelajuan tu mencecah 65 km sejam. Full speed. Okay, memang kelajuan penuh tu. Awak bayangkanlah, laju tak laju. Okay, number 7, tigers have walked the earth for a long time. Okay, sebenarnya tigers ni dah lama dah wujud. Okay, and dia dah lama dah ada dekat muka bumi ni. And 8, no two tigers have the same stripes. Okay, tiger ni takkan ada 2 tiger harimau yang mempunyai stripe belang yang sama. Okay, so they are unique. Mereka ni sangat unik sebab mereka mempunyai belang yang berlainan. Macam kita ada cap jari kan, fingerprint kan. Semua orang punya fingerprint semua lain-lain. Itu uniknya manusia. But tiger, belang-belang dia mesti lain. Walau awak tengok belang dia macam sama je. No, it's different actually. 8, there are 5 subspecies of tiger today. Okay, malangnya sekarang hanya ada 5 sahaja spesies yang masih hidup. Okay, yang lain semua dah pupus. Okay, antaranya I think Sumatran, Bengal tiger, they exist one lah yang ada sekarang. Okay, and number 10, last one, tigers could be found throughout Asia less than 100 years ago. Okay, kalau 100 tahun dulu, tigers ni boleh dijumpai dekat seluruh kawasan Asia. Tapi sekarang, even in Malaysia pun, dia dah diancam kepupusan. So, we must protect our tiger and all tigers in the world. Alright, let's move on. Alright, so let's learn about the characteristics of a tiger, ciri-ciri harimau. So this is a tiger and its scientific name is Panthera tigris, okay? Okay, so tiger has a large and rounded ears, okay? Not a large, okay? Tiger has 2 large rounded ears, okay? 2 telinga yang besar dan bulat, itu bulat macam ni. Yellow eyes, okay? Mata yang berwarna kuning. Whiskers, okay? Whiskers ada misai, macam kucing. Okay? Long and muscular legs, ada kaki yang panjang dan juga muscle, ada otot. Okay? Long sharp claws that are pulled in when not in use, retractable. Okay, dia pun ada kuku dan kuku yang panjang dan tajam. Okay, kuku dia ni kalau tak digunakan dia akan masuk kat dalam. Kita tak nampak lah. Bila dia nak guna dia akan keluarkan kuku dia. Okay, long tail, ada ekor yang panjang and golden color with black stripes. Okay, dia ada warna macam perang keemasan dengan belang berwarna hitam. Ini tiger yang macam common tiger lah, tiger yang biasa kita nampak. We also have white tiger, kita ada harimau putih, okay, harimau belang. Okay, harimau belang ni lah, harimau bintang, okay. So this is the common characteristics of a tiger. Okay, move on to activity number 2, listening activity. So, let's listen to a story of the proudest animal in the forest. Okay, jom kita dengar sebuah cerita mengenai haiwan yang paling bangga, paling riak di dalam hutan. Okay, so the story of the proudest animal in the forest. Okay, the clue is about, okay, the story is about a tiger and a buffalo. Okay, teacher bagi clue. Okay, cerita ni berkisahkan tentang seekor harimau dan juga seekor kerbau. So this is the story. So I need you to listen. Okay, you may refer to page 72 in your book. Okay, textbook. Okay, teacher nak kamu dengar. And kamu juga boleh rujuk dalam buku. Teks kamu muka surat 72. Okay, so I will start reading about this text, listening text. So you have to listen, dengar. The story of the proudest animal in the forest. Listening and speaking. Let's listen. Encik Hakimi is introducing a story to 6 robotics. Do you know, many years ago, the proudest animal in the forest was neither the lion nor the peacock. It was the tiger. The tiger was proud of his fangs. It was also proud of its big paws and sharp claws. The tiger's biggest pride was its beautiful shiny coat. The tiger was not afraid of any animals in the jungle except the buffalo, because it was huge and tough. It also had long and powerful horns. One bright and sunny morning, the tiger saw the buffalo working very hard. It was pulling a plow in the paddy field. The tiger was confused. Okay, I will repeat it one more time. The story of the proudest animal in the forest. Listening and speaking. Let's listen. Encik Hakimi is introducing a story to 6 robotics. Do you know, many years ago, the proudest animal in the forest was neither the lion nor the peacock. It was the tiger. The tiger was proud of his fangs. It was also proud of its big paws and sharp claws. The tiger's biggest pride was its beautiful shiny coat. The tiger was not afraid of any animals in the jungle except the buffalo because it was huge and tough. It also had long and powerful horns. One bright and sunny morning, the tiger saw the buffalo working very hard. It was pulling a plow in the paddy field. The tiger was confused. Alright, so later I will explain about the story. Alright, so this is the story, the same story. So I will explain it one more time. Okay, Encik Hakimi sedang memperkenalkan sebuah cerita kepada kelas 6 robotik. Okay. Do you know, adakah awak tahu, many years ago, beberapa tahun yang lalu, the proudest animal in the forest was neither the lion nor the peacock. Okay, haiwan yang paling bangga dengan dirinya dalam hutan tersebut adalah bukan, okay, haiwan yang paling bangga di hutan bukanlah seekor singa ataupun seekor burung merak. Okay, it was the tiger. Ia adalah seekor harimau. Okay, the tiger was proud of his fangs. Okay, tiger ni sangatlah bangga dengan fang. Okay, fang ni bermaksud taring. So, dia sangatlah bangga dengan taring dia. It was also proud of its big paws. Dia juga bangga dengan kaki dia yang besar. Okay, tapak kaki dia yang besar. And sharp claws. Dan juga kuku yang tajam. Okay, the tiger's biggest pride was its beautiful shiny coat. Okay, kebanggaan harimau yang paling besar, okay, daripada yang lain-lain ni, okay, kebanggaannya adalah dia punya coat, badan dia tu, okay, badan dia tu yang cantik dan juga bersinar-sinar, okay, dia punya maksudnya dia punya belang-belang tu lah, dia punya corak kat badan dia tu, coat tu. Kita bukan yang cakap coat tu baju tau, tapi dia punya apa yang meliputi badan harimau tu, belang-belang dia lah dengan warna kuning tu. Okay. The tiger was not afraid of any animals in the jungle except the buffalo. Okay. Harimau ni dia tak takut pun pada haiwan-haiwan yang lain kat hutan tu kecuali kerbau. Dia takut dengan kerbau because it was huge. Kerbau ni besar daripada tiger. So, kerbau ni besar and tough. Tough ni kuat. So, buffalo ni, okay, kebanggaan buffalo pula. Apa yang dia proud of itself? Dia huge, besar dan juga tough, kuat. It also had long and powerful horns. Dia juga ada tanduk yang panjang dan kuat. Okay. Tiger tak ada, tapi buffalo ada. So, buffalo boleh berbangga lah, dia ada tanduk. Okay. One bright and sunny morning, the tiger saw the buffalo working very hard. Okay, pada satu pagi yang cerah dan juga terang, okay, tiger ni nampak buffalo ni bekerja sangat-sangat kuat. So, it was pulling a plow in the paddy field. Okay, dia sedang menarik bajak di padang paddy field. Allah, what is paddy field? Padi, padi, okay. The tiger was confused, okay. Tiger ni pun rasa hairan, okay. So, that is the story. Okay, so now you have to talk about animals. Okay, let's talk about few animals and their prides. Okay, this is the third activity. Okay, kamu perlu bercakap mengenai beberapa haiwan dan juga kebanggaan mereka. Apa yang mereka banggakan? Okay, so you may refer to page 73 in your textbook. Okay, you can see this picture, the same picture that I use here. Okay, it is about animals and their pride. So let's talk. Name some animals that are powerful and strong. Okay, namakan beberapa haiwan yang kuat dan berkuasa. So for me, I think in the jungle, I think lion, singa, tiger, an elephant, gajah, tu semua haiwan yang besar, haiwan yang kuat. Okay, so so this is a tiger, okay, and the tiger talks about its pride, apa yang dibanggakan. Okay, so sharp claws, dia ada kuku yang tajam. Okay, catch and eat my prey. Okay, kuku tajam ni digunakan untuk tangkap dan makan mangsa dia. Okay, dia pemangsa, so dia akan cari mangsa untuk makan. Next, big paws. Okay, dia bangga dengan tapak kaki dia yang besar. Okay, fight my enemies, untuk digunakan untuk berlawan dengan musuh-musuhnya. Okay, so this tiger will say, I am proud of my sharp claws. Okay, because I can catch and eat my prey. Saya berbangga dengan sharp claws, kuku saya yang tajam, kerana saya boleh menangkap dan makan mangsa saya. Okay. I am also proud of my big paws because I can fight my enemies. Saya juga berbangga dengan tapak kaki yang besar kerana saya boleh melawan musuh-musuh saya. Okay, so this is about tiger. Okay. Okay, let's look at other animals. Okay, this is another animals, and we have eagle, burung helang, horse, kuda, and also lion. Okay, so let's talk about eagle. Okay, let's look at eagle here. Okay, eagle, sharp vision. Okay, pemerhatian yang tajam. See prey miles away. Lihat mangsa jauh. Okay, boleh lihat mangsa dari jauh. Okay, powerful talons. Okay, sorry, not talon, talent. Okay, so talent ni, dia mempunyai talent. Talent means kuku, kuku yang kuat. Kill my prey, bunuh mangsa saya. So, inilah kebanggaan untuk seekor burung helang. Sharp vision, powerful talent. Okay, so macam mana kita nak cakap tentang talent ni? Pasal eagle ni. Okay, so use the same word. Okay, sentence. I am proud of my sharp vision because I can see prey miles away. Okay, yang underline ni, teacher garis ni, so teacher ambil daripada atas ni. Atas ni, teacher ambil dari sini. Okay, so saya berbangga dengan penglihatan saya yang tajam kerana saya boleh melihat mangsa dari jauh. Okay, I am also proud of my powerful talents because I can kill my prey. Saya juga berbangga dengan kuku saya yang tajam kerana saya boleh membunuh mangsa saya. Okay, so next you can talk about horse or you can talk about lion. So lion, apa kebanggaan dia? Mungkin you can say, okay, big paws. Big paws untuk apa? Untuk kill, untuk fight my enemy, sama macam harimau. Okay, lagi satu, awak boleh fikir apa lagi? Kuku yang tajam. So sama juga macam tiger kan, dari kuku yang tajam ke taring, gigi taring yang kuat. Okay, powerful fangs. You can talk about it. Okay. Okay, so the last activity, worksheet time. So let's do some exercises. I will share this worksheet in our WhatsApp group. Okay, do the exercises in your E2 book. Okay, buat dalam buku E2. Okay, kamu boleh print and paste, boleh cetak dan tampal dalam buku. Make sure you paste it. Okay, pastikan kamu tampal. Kalau tak, nanti nak hantar dia dah tertinggal. Atau you can copy and write the answer. Kamu boleh salin dan tulis jawapan kamu. Okay, no need to copy the picture, lukis picture, tak payah pun. Just write the answer. Okay, so for A, listen to a story and complete the table with the information given. Okay, lengkapkan table ni. Okay, awak dah dengar cerita tadi kan? So, lengkapkan. Okay, animals in the story, haiwan-haiwan dalam cerita. Nyatakan the tiger's pride, apa yang dibanggakan oleh tiger. The buffalo sprite, apa yang dibanggakan oleh buffalo. Okay, all I have discussed all this in the slide, okay, dalam video ni, so kamu boleh rujuk. Next, okay, for B, choose one animal and talk about it. Okay, untuk yang B, awak pilih satu je animal, okay, and cakap tentangnya. Okay, so awak boleh tulis dulu apa yang awak nak cakap tu, berdasarkan daripada ni lah. Okay, record your voice and or video talking about it and send it to me. So boleh rakam suara atau video, up to you. Okay, kemudian hantar kepada saya. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. And inshallah, we will meet again next week for another lesson of English. Till then, Assalamualaikum and bye.